तो खाना खाना भूल जाओ, नहाना धोना भूल जाओ, पर ये जो है इसे मत भूलना, फॉर्मल लेटर राइटिंग, क्योंकि ये आपके पेपर का एक शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन बनेगा। ओके, सो ये आपके पेपर का एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जिसमें आपको फुल मार्क्स आराम से मिल सकते हैं। So today we are learning how to write a formal letter. Okay, formal letters, also called business letters or professional letters, are letters that are written in a strict and specific format. Formal letters are naturally much more formal in style than informal or friendly letters. Okay, so formal letters क्या होते हैं आपके? वो business letters या professional letters, you know, which we are writing either to the principal or to the editor. Okay, or either we are writing something related to our business, to our boss, तो वहाँ पे वो formal letters होंगे. Why? Because they are not our friends. ठीक है, तो वो friendly या informal way में नहीं लिखे जाते हैं. Now, what is structure of a formal letter? In order to be able to write a formal letter, you have to first understand the reason behind the letter. As far as formal letters are concerned, the structure of the letter changes depending on the type of letter. Alright, now when you're writing a formal letter, the first thing which you need to understand is that what is the reason behind the letter. ठीक है, कि अगर आप principal को छुट्टी के लिए letter लिख रहे हो that you want to leave, तो उसका reason क्या है? You need to know. If you are writing it to an editor or if you are writing it to your boss, so what is the reason behind the letter so that you can frame the content accordingly. As far as formal letters are concerned, the structure of the letter changes depending on the type of letter. Formal letter में क्या होता है कि structure, अच्छा आपका format तो same रहेगा, ठीक है, but the structure will change, the content, the body, alright, because in formal letters, like if it's your boss or if it's your principal, then you treat them differently. Okay, so the structure has to change. There are certain rules to be followed to be able to draft a formal letter. कुछ रूल्स हैं जो कि हमें फॉलो करने होते हैं, लाइक सर्टेन फॉर्मेट, ओके, द चेंज ऑफ पैराग्राफ्स, सो ऑल दोज रूल्स हैव टू बी फॉलोड. Every sentence should be well thought out and laid down in such a way that the message you want to convey should be precise and clear to the reader. Also, formal letters are not very lengthy. Okay, you just have 3 paragraphs. बहुत शॉर्ट में आपको अपनी बात कन्वे करनी होती है. So every sentence you are writing, it should be very clear so that the reader can understand it clearly. Now, let's take a letter. That is letter to the editor about a road that needs repair. Now, supposedly there's a road. ठीक है, now we are living in India. In India, most of the roads बहुत गड्ढे हो जाते हैं, खराब हो जाती हैं. तो मान लो हमें एडिटर को लेटर लिखना है कि भाई ये रोड है, it needs to be prepared. Okay, so now how we will start? 28 Adarsh Vihar, Ashiana, Lucknow. What is this? This is the sender's address. Okay, then you will leave a line, you will leave a blank space. 5th April 2024. Here there will be a full stop. 5th April 2024 means the date you are writing it on. Okay, then again a line, again you have to leave a line. The editor, The Hindu, Coimbatore. The editor, comma, The Hindu, comma, Coimbatore, full stop. Okay, and what is this? This is your receiver's address. Now again you will leave a line, then you will write the subject. This is the subject. So first you will write subject, then a colon, repair of the road in Adarsh Vihar. So what is the subject? Letter to the editor about a road that needs repair. So subject क्या है? A road that needs repair. And where is the road? In your locality, Adarsh Vihar. So repair of the road in Adarsh Vihar. So this is your subject. Okay. Again you will leave a line and you will write respected sir. Again after respected sir there will be a comma. So what is this? Your salutation. Clear? Okay. So now moving forward, this is your format. After that you will begin with the letter. So formal letter is always divided in 3 paragraphs: the introduction, the main body, and the climax. Okay, so the introduction. I would like to bring to your notice that the people in and around Adarsh Vihar have been facing difficulties in travelling back and forth because of the bad condition of the roads there. We have appealed to the municipality, but there has not been any response on this issue so far. Now after this, you'll put a full stop, you'll again leave a line, and you'll begin with the main body. That will again begin from the starting. As our appeals to their office have had no effect, we believe that perhaps a mention in the media would be of great help. Since the beginning of the last month, the roads in Chiran Nagar have been almost impassable. The surface is badly broken up by the heavy rains, and on a dark night it is positively dangerous for vehicles to pass that way. Moreover, there are heaps of road metal on both sides of the road, which leaves very little room in the middle. The residents of the area have been inconvenienced in this way for weeks. So now, all the main content, all the main body, all the main part, we have put it here, okay? That the roads, they are damaged, what time ho gaya, we have been complaining, so I think getting it into the media will be of great help. Alright, and what all inconveniences you are facing. You can also write that the children, they are facing difficulties in going to their schools, their vans cannot come. Due to the condition of the roads, the people, they are having problems in passing the vehicles. Okay, so all these things also you can put here. So all the main content has to go in the body. Again, you will leave a line and you will write the climax. The climax is just that in the climax you don't have to write ki, ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya, it has to change like this. Here you just have to say that I request, or I will be highly obliged if you would look into my issue, or if you will publish my issue in your newspaper. The situation is becoming worse. There have been multiple accidents happening due to this condition. I request you to highlight the seriousness of the matter in your newspaper so that the road may be properly repaired without further delay. Okay, so here you put a full stop. This is your climax. It ends here. After that, again you will leave a space here. Okay, here again you will leave a space and you will write, thanking you, yours sincerely. Instead of sincerely, you can also write yours faithfully. Okay, comma, Muskan Shukla, full stop. Here there's a signature. Now in some of the ICSE schools, you put in the signature. In some you don't. Alright, in most of the, now in most of the schools where the format is being taught, the signature has been removed. Okay, so you will just write your full name. Also make sure that while writing a formal letter, write down your full name. And then you'll put a full stop. So this is your ending.